How to block all ads in iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to block all ads in iPhone. So first thing, just open up your settings on your device, and once you're inside here, scroll all the way down until you see the option privacy and security. So just tap on that, and from over here simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is Apple advertising. So simply select it and make sure you have disabled this personalized ads option from over here. So if it's enabled, make sure it's disabled. So once you do that, just head back to your settings homepage and simply scroll down once again and click on screen time. So once you click on screen time, scroll once again and click on this content and privacy restriction option over here, and once inside here, make sure it's currently enabled and simply scroll all the way down until you see the option Apple advertising, and if it's on allow, click on don't allow. So once you do all of that, now the last thing what you want to do is just head over to the apps section and simply locate the Safari application, so which might be causing direct pop-up or ads, and make sure your block pop-ups is toggled on, and if it's off, make sure it's enabled. And just like that, you have successfully blocked all ads on iPhone. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.